Hey everybody, what's up? In July of 2018, a few of us rode through the Himalayas, a bucket list trip for any rider. Before we begin, if you are enjoying the videos, hit that subscribe button to continue supporting the channel, and I thank you for doing so. Now, join us as we ride from Leh to Keylong in this video from the Biker Crew UAE. The crack of dawn saw us back on the road as we left Leh in our rearview mirrors and retraced our path back through the mountains. I was seeing the route in a whole new light, and quite literally, as the colors were different in the morning. Hues of pink mixed in with the bright blue of the sky and the green of the trees, and to top it all off, cold, fresh mountain air. Now about the KTM, the 390cc engine had a lovely throaty growl, and it held its own over the high passes as well as the water crossings. It was light, nimble, and picked its way through the gravel roads with ease. The riding position is sporty and therefore not exactly comfortable, since the bike was not designed to be ridden on long journeys. I would recommend a gel pad on the seat. You will thank me for it. Now the low-end power of the Duke 390 makes the bike a joy to ride on the twisty mountain roads. And I was guilty of opening the throttle more than just a few times on this trip and loving every single minute of it. The morning light showed us a different side to the natural beauty of these mountains. As the road wound its way through the rugged terrain and past glistening streams, we climbed back up to Taglangla. Stopping for a fleeting moment to look upon the top of the 17,500 foot high pass for the last time on this journey. A quick meal and park after a dash through the Moray Plains set us up for the rest of the journey. Gravel, dust and tarmac seemed to fight for possession of the road. Mile after mile they interchanged with each other without allowing you to get too used to any one of them. Taglangla was passed again. The 16,600 foot pass looked resplendent under broken clouds and cast their shadows over the surrounding peaks. The descent was uneventful and we made really good time. The road seemed devoid of traffic, and that suited me just fine, as it allowed me to savor the magnificence of the landscape as well as enjoy the riding of the twisty mountain roads. Hitting another plateau allowed me to be guilty yet again of trying to get the KTM to the horizon as quick as I could. While a bridge was being repaired, I got to meet some folks from the Indore Volunteers Club. Lovely bunch of people. Once again, we got going, and there was more water to cross, although it was more like the road and the stream were one and the same. Flat patch saw me twist the throttle and feed a little speed into my ride. We roared through Sarchu, the brilliant sunshine leading us to believe that we would make it to Keylong in record time. But the mountains have their own agenda, and we mere mortals are not privy to the grand plans of the mighty Himalayas.
Hey everybody, we are stuck just before Barlachla, and this is the reason why. That's the reason why.
So after a 3-hour delay and with boots filled with freezing water, we made it to Keylong with dead GoPro batteries and not before the darkness had overtaken us. It's never, ever a dull moment in the Himalayas. Next time, we are on the final leg of our journey. Thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.